Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your love and all your support. And if you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you're liking all these videos, then you can definitely hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is our customer care number. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can open your account in Zerodha, Upstox or Angel Broking. The link is given in about section or else in the video description. It is there, so you can click and open your account.
Your channel is the first channel which I have come across while searching the answers of some of the very basic questions like which stock to pick, how to pick during the market hours. One of the most important thing which I have learned from you is the reflection on the direction of Nifty. Your patient reflection has helped me to guess whether to go for the long or short and how to wait for the breakout of the low and high of this stock. This is one of the most important thing which I have learned apart from the technical analysis lessons. I would like to wish you all the best for your future and future of this smart trader family and many best wishes, and thank you for your support.
So this particular video is especially for the ones who feel that there is some technical issue when you try to buy, a stock which, for example, the market price is 100 and you want to buy at 105. So whenever you're trying to buy this with a limit order, it buys off with market order and it buys at 100 immediately. So many would have faced this issue and you may think it's a technical issue, or is it something happening to you, or you did something wrong, or how do I put the right order for these type of situations. So many have these questions who would have faced this, or else maybe you're a beginner, you have not yet faced this. In the future you may face it, so that these type of video is actually for you guys. All right, so in this particular video I'll tell you how to put your order above the market price so that you don't miss anything out of it. So this is especially I'm showing in terms of Zerodha. So this is how it looks. For example, if I give a buy on Glenmark, so these are the orders you have, and you know that CNC order is cash and carry and MIS order is there. So you have four other types of order. One is market order. So when you give market order, what will happen? So when you hit a market order with what, for example, you want to buy 10 quantities. So you want to buy 10 quantities, you hit a market order buy, whatever is the market price, that is 466.70. This will get executed at the market price immediately. All right, so market order. Now limit order. Limit order is something which you think that whatever limit you put, for example, it is 466, whatever number you put, it will buy only at that number. But it has a limitation. It is only saying it's a limit. Okay. So what is the limit for this order? The limit is market price. Above this market price, you cannot place a order below the market price. That is, for example, for buying, if this number is 466, this is 465, this is 464, you can put any of these orders. That means below the market price for buying. Okay, for the bid here, whatever number is available, you can put your order so that your orders will be pending. Your number of orders will be shown, your quantities will be shown in that number. So your limit is what? Your limit is what? Your current market price. Same way for selling, it is opposite, right? For selling, let's say for selling it was 467 here, 468, 469, 500, 600. So you can put any order within this number because this is your limit for selling. So anything beyond this you cannot put, okay, because the market only, it's not a technical glitch or something, because market itself is not gone to that area in terms of buying. How can you put an order before the market, right? So we can put within the market. When market has achieved a price, you can put within that. So that is your limit. What is your limit? Current market price. So from now on, if you're using this limit, your numbers should be within these prices. Okay, so you can place your order and keep it pending over here, or for selling you can see these numbers and keep here, or below these numbers also you can keep, but not above the market price. Now what to do for this above the market price? So we are talking about Zerodha's platform. So you have a very good option over here, that is nothing but SL order and SLM order. Now don't get confused, it says stop loss order. It is not your stop loss what we put in our trade. This order is called a stop loss order and this is stop loss market order. Now how will this help? Stop loss order will help you to buy above your market price. For example, your market price is 466.70. You want to buy at 480, which is very far away. So but as per your strategy, 480 above only you should buy, and from there whatever 0.3 target or whatever is your target. But how to wait? I cannot wait. I have my office time, I have something to go around, I can't watch my monitor. So how do you put an order in advance? So you put this SL order and you type, for example, you want to buy at 480, right? So you will put 480 over here. You can always give a gap. Okay, you should give a gap over here. Let's say I'll put 481, or I will say 482, or whatever number, I'll give a gap. So whenever this market price reaches this 480, your Zerodha, so this order will act like a switch. I will repeat again, I've done earlier this video also, but there are a lot of new people who don't know about this concept or confused. So I'm repeating it again. So this will act like a switch. Okay. So once the switch is on, the current will pass. Same way, once this price is achieved by the market, your Zerodha will send the instructions to the market. Till there, it will be pending in your orders. So this will help you to stay pending in your Zerodha only, not in the market. If it goes to market, it will hit off current market price. Okay. So Zerodha will keep this as pending. Okay, this price. So when your current market price reaches trigger price, whatever you mentioned, 480, instructions are gone to the market that buy at 481. Now, because your price is still 480, you have put 481, it will buy everything in market price immediately, just like a limit order. As soon as 480 triggers, your 481 is far away, it's above the market price. Or if you put, let's say, 482 or 483, which is away from your market price currently, when it touches 480, right? So it will immediately buy at market price. So the price of the market was 480.20, it will buy off the 10 shares at that price. So that's the reason you give a gap. If you don't give a gap, what will happen? If you keep equal at 480, if nobody is selling 10 shares, your shares will be pending in your orders only. So it will skip yours and go above, because remember, in trading, if you are buying 10 shares at a price, somebody should be selling 10 shares at that price. So at 480, you are giving a limit saying at 480 only I want, more than that I don't want any share. So exactly at 480, if nobody is selling 10 shares, you will get stuck, your pending will get stuck. Later, when the stock goes to 483 and comes down to 480, yours will be bought. So you lost your strategy, or you made a mistake over there, and all this happened. So now SLM. In SLM, what you can do, it's a stop loss. Now here I told you can put a limit like this. In SLM, such issue is not there. So what you can do, you can type 480 here. So as soon as the market price goes to 480, Zerodha sends your instructions to the market, and whatever is the market price during that situation, when it instruction sent, it will buy all the shares. That is, your 10 shares will be bought with current market price or last traded price, this one. Okay, so there is nothing like limit. Here you have a limit. In this stop loss, you have a limit saying that don't buy more than 581. Now what is the advantage and disadvantage? Here you should give enough gap. Okay, okay, I'm sorry, there was a call over here. So if you see SLM, okay, so in SLM, the thing is, as soon as the price goes here, automatically it will get triggered. So that is one big advantage which we have. But the risk is, what if you are putting 1000 quantities? As soon as this triggers, your stock will spike, and if others are also buying, just you will buy at around 485, 486, it will spike up. Okay, so that is the disadvantage in SLM. So if you're using big quantities, don't use SLM. Okay, if you're using small quantities, then you can use SLM. Small quantities you can SLM, and if you're using big quantities, go with limit order, that is SL limit order, this one, and then put your limit. Let's say 480 was it, so 480, you can put 481 or 482. So you're saying that above this price don't buy anything. From 480 to 482, how much ever available, buy all my shares. If it is crossing above 482, then don't buy my shares. So that is the beauty of these two order, SL and SLM. If you're using small quantities, SLM. If you're using more quantities, put a SL limit order and place a limit so that your market price should not spike and go up. So this is how you can utilize and put your order. Same thing with selling also you can do, but in selling it is the opposite side. So for example, your trigger is 480 and you should put this as lower, let's say 78, because once the switch is on, only current will come, right? So once the 480 is reached, your instruction says that buy all the shares, but my limit is 478. Within that market price, buy anything for me. But you put SLM, once it 480, whatever is the market price, it will sell in that particular price. So this is how we can buy or we can sell above the market price. any day and keep it pending. All right, so hope this video was helpful for a lot of beginners who had this confusion thinking it's a technical glitch or we cannot buy above the market price. So this is one video which will help most of them. So share this video to most of the beginners or in any groups so that they get educated how to put the right orders and they don't miss out opportunities by taking limit order and getting executed immediately in market price. Anyways, hope this video was helpful. I have a session right now, so I will close up the video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.